Hey guys, welcome. Good morning. And when I say morning, it is like 12:01. So happy Christmas Eve. We're going to do a really fun and easy project for a last minute gift, or just a fun way in general to give a gift card, even if it's not for Christmas. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate the support while I'm growing my channel. So I just want to, I know with the lighting and this being a little bit light, I don't know, I just want to make sure you can see it. So it says, in case of emergency, break glass. There's a hammer there, and then the gift cards inside. If you were doing this for like maybe a girlfriend for their birthday, I would paint it and like glitter it. There's so many different things that you can do with it, but it's just a really different way to give some gift cards. So keep watching and I will show you how I did this. It took all of about 15 minutes. All right. Hey, listen, you guys have a blessed and beautiful holiday season. And whichever holiday you celebrate, I hope that it's fabulous for you. Bye. This is a fun, easy DIY for a last minute gift, like a gift card. Okay. So I'm going to try and make this quick. So what I have my font already up. Sorry, hold on. Let me just attach that. I just realized that I didn't have my stuff attached. Okay, so I have my font up and I'm using, this is a little piece of Target, red Target vinyl. This is Target, another piece of Target vinyl. This is that glitter paper that I showed from the Dollar Tree. I've got a 99-cent picture frame from IKEA. This is the, oh, I'm having a brain flubber. A, shadow box. Thank you. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness gracious. It's been a long day, so please forgive me. So this is a shadow box. So you can get, the dollar store has some small little shadow boxes, just something inexpensive. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and set to vinyl. Yeah. All right. So what I have going, the first thing that's being printed on the red is a little hammer. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. My poor dog's laying at my feet and she is covered in glitter. Always covered in glitter. So I'm super excited. You know, we have the new baby, my grandson. So it's going to be the first time in a long time I have had a baby here for Christmas. They're going to spend the night tomorrow night for Christmas Eve. So I'm super excited. We're going to wake up to having a baby. Super exciting. All right. So this comes with, this is the little insert for the shadow box. So, and I'm going to take this out because on the IKEA frames, they have a little coating over them. And I've had a lot of people tell me that they don't like IKEA frames because they feel like they're not very clear. And come to find out that they didn't realize there's a coating on both sides of them. that back in. And then I'll put this piece back in. All right, so now I have my paper and then my little insert here. So what I'm gonna do, now normally when I'm doing shadow boxes, I will take whatever size this is and I'll put it into my Cricut as a square and then cut it out so that it's perfect. On this, you know, this is just a quick, I need a present, and it's, you know, not such a big deal. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. These IKEA shadow boxes, so IKEA has them on sale regularly. Like, they have them on sale all the time for 99 cents. And I think that otherwise they're either $2.99 or $3.99. So when they're on sale for 99 cents, I always pick up a few of them. And then, so I'm just going to, my paper that I cut out, I'm just gonna cover my little paper here. And I didn't have to, I could have just tossed that and put this backing and all in there, but whatever, it's just what I chose to do. All right, so it's gonna look like this. Now I have my gift cards. This is for my brother and my sister-in-law. Pull this out so I can just get this out of the way. All right, so I'm just going to take my gift cards. I'd sort of like to be able to see a little bit of the green, so maybe I'll put them this way so that so at least a little bit of the green shows, or maybe I'll put the back underneath just to give it some whatever and let my green be what shows. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I like that better. All right, so I have some little foam dots. I mean, you don't have to use foam dots. It's what I have. You can use tape, you know, whatever works for you. But I just always happen to have these little foam dots handy. I buy these at the Dollar Tree. I buy them at Walmart, you know, all over the place. They're honestly, they're all the same. I have personally not really noticed a difference in the quality between buying them at Michael's, Dollar Tree, or Walmart. So it just happens to be where I'm at when I need them, to be perfectly honest. All right, so I'm just gonna put my little gift cards on here like this. All right, so there's my gift cards. You know, and this is nice because, I mean, sometimes, you know, like for my brother and his wife, I really like the idea of being able to give them a date night, you know, movies and dinner. But sometimes you want to feel like you do something a little bit more than just, you know, give a gift card. So now what I got here, you just find my words and cut it out. And this is perfect. It's that nice Christmassy Target vinyl. Sorry for the light. I know that it makes it a little bit hard to see, but I got some little tiny letters going on here. And this is just, it's the Lemonade Bold Cricut font. So I have the Cricut Access, so I get as much as, you know, I can off of there. Since I pay for it, I like to use it. All right, and then my hammer also came off of Cricut Access. I find all kinds of little like pieces that I need of just little random pictures on Cricut Access. I really like it a lot. I'm not sure when my subscription is up, but I'll definitely renew it. And then I like the fact too that you get a discount on any Cricut products that you need to. It's nice. All right. So now I just need a piece of transfer. Okay. Oh, look, I have a little bit more on here. Look at that. And I tell you what, good hard rolls like this and like the ones inside the Cricut, I save them. You'll be surprised at all the things you can use those for. I mean, they come in super handy. All right. This is one thing that I need a million of. I have so many of them, and half the time I cannot ever find them. I don't know what I do with them. Oh, hey, by the way, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I will greatly, greatly appreciate it. All right, so there you go. And it says, in case of emergency, break glass with a little hammer on it. Super fun. And if, like, so maybe you were given this to, you know, this for my brother, my sister-in-law, but if this was like maybe for a girlfriend for something, you could paint it and make it all glittery. Super fun. All right, hey, listen, you guys have a very, very holiday, whatever holiday you celebrate. I hope it's fabulous for you. I hope that you have lots of love and happiness in your life. And I hope that you have a very, very, very blessed holiday season and take good care of yourselves. All right. Hey, thanks. I'll see you later. Bye.